Me and Brent Rivera are actually building a secret meth lab. I mean, what? Anyways, so we're playing build a boat for treasure. Maddox, please, please send a request to join my team. Yo, send a request to join my team, bro. Are you having a seizure right now?
Hey guys, this is my third time trying the recording because I use this crappy piece of crap. Guys, if you're ever trying to get a YouTube channel, don't use Outplay. This is torturous.
Okay.
Outplay, if you're watching this video, you suck.
I
You should
guess.
know that. You're absolute dog water.
Why did you
Fix
leave?
your app.
Why did you leave the server?
Because I can't record whenever I'm in game. I can't record it almost of the time. I've attempted so many times and it closes. I've tried so hard to make these videos. It always closes. This is my fourth attempt trying to do this. It's closed that many times before. I tried to do a Danny's Wood video earlier today. It closed a couple of times. Okay, seriously, creators of Outplay, if you're watching this, I freaking hate you. It just clicked.
Maddox, the creators of Outplay are the 2 subscribers who I don't know personally.
I actually give up on this video. Oh, full screen capture is on. Oh, do that to do that. I hate Outplay.
They broke my engine. Oh, but I have another. No! No! My PP mobile, it's running away. Maddox, don't worry. I'm coming back to home with the PP mobile, okay?
Max, you can record this video. I'm not doing this. This is literally my fourth
Maddox, I
attempt.
have a save. Look, I have a save.
Here, put these for them.
Okay, just.
Haven't I made it to the end in this?
Yeah. Maddox, look.
Okay, yeah, I have
Isn't
made it
this
to the
boat
end.
awesome, bro?
Bro, this is actually God tier boat.
We need to upgrade it, though. The motors keep getting destroyed, so we need to make it thicker. No! Me 1V.
Anyways, we also need to kidnap people, so...
Yeah, just add it to the end there. Yeah. Wow, we are nailing this song. It won't last long. Maddox, help me make this end thicker, bro.
I'm ready.
You're ready? Yeah. I think that childlike voice is deserved here.
Hold on. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get in the speedboat.
Nah, bro. Wait. We have to... You just took over all my controls. Yeah, let's launch. Let's see. Let's launch. Yeah. Me too, I guess. Just in case. Yeah, because I can't freaking get the engines on. Yeah, there we go. I got the engine on. Oh no, I shouldn't have made that decision. You just saw my boat spin out of control. It's hard to control, bro.
Oh no, the alligators are in this. The alligators are a pain whenever it comes to speedboat.
I don't know, make it to the L.
You can immediately go, you can immediately turn and then there will be stuff in the water. Give me the money.
I'm coming for you.
I need to get some of the jet engines.
You died already?
I'm about to brutally murder you.
That's fair.
I know, right? Okay, I'm gonna open up a chest real quick. So
I wouldn't suggest opening many chests if you're saving up for big things.
Yeah, I'm just getting that, and that's it. And I did get some pretty good blocks. Here's my metal blocks. For tomorrow, I'm gonna do Poppy Playtime for VR. Poppy Playtime for VR, to be exact.
That is so real. It's not even funny. I love it when boat doesn't work.
I love it whenever I fart on your pillow.
That's fair.
My bro actually just said that.
I love it when V. Man. Finally, bro. I hope you go to Ohio. Yeah. No, they're gonna rip me off. Just like TDS admin mode did. And I'm just gonna fly right over the alligators. They're gonna come to attack me, but they're not gonna be able to do anything. Wait. What? Why did I fall? I didn't run out of fuel. I hope you go to Ohio. Oh.
I hope you
Dianosaurus. For honey, that was pretty fast. Maddox, I'm coming. I'm back, bro.
What did you just say?
Let's see, what does the You're Cooked mobile look like? No, load. Yes.
How do I rotate the blocks and like
Maddox, you have to get onto this boat, bro.
I was gonna build a spaceship. Okay.
Place your
Put on a chair.
place your thing.
You know what? I hate you. I'm taking over control.
I swear I will blow us both up.
I hope you die in a fire. Let me go ahead and play a banger. They don't love you like I love you, right?
No, bro. The guy who helped me do something in robotics team is named Carl, and he was like, okay,
Oh, exactly.
Maddox.
I turn the corner and there's blocks just sitting there. That's what I don't like about this.
I'm waiting for you to come back, bro.
Wait.
Wait, they didn't touch you like I touched you, baby. That's what I said to that one baby.
Come back here.
Give me a second, I'm trying to turn the jet engine off, bro. There we go.
Alright, here we go.
No! Yeah, get on. No, I can't control the boat anymore. What did you do? The only resort is violence.
I know. No. Help me. Help me.
That's.
Bird got carried away.
I hope you get carried away, man. Yo, Maddox, give me a second to kill myself. Now.
How do I rotate objects the other way?
You have to make them skibbity. Do you want me to make a spaceship for you, bro? Let's make a shuttle.
No, I want to build it. How do I make things rotate the other way?
I don't know. I'm not working on computers.
You should know. You are a skibbity.
How am I so Sigma if you're not Guyot? Can't you just go to Ohio, bro?
How do I do this?
Go to Ohio. I don't know what else to tell you.
Help me. Is there a tutorial thing on this?
I don't know. Figure it out.
I don't know how to do it.
I don't know. Figure it out.
How do you do it?
I'm on mobile.
Yes.
How are you doing that? Bang, bang, bang.
Shop. How do I rotate things the other way? Where's the controller? Oh.
Bro needs the control manual. I need the V control manual.
Help me, I can't rotate it. Bro, 5-minute suspension? What did I do?
5-minute suspension on what?
On voice chat. It just gave me freaking 5 minutes of suspension. I did it. I did it.
You figured it out?
I built my spaceship.
Maddox, my spaceship is gonna be so much wetter. I mean,
Buddy, shut up.
it's gonna be called the SS Butt Crack.
Buddy, I mean, shut up.
Also, I swear if you launch it early, then I will blow your build up.
What'd I do?
I mean, if you launch it early, then you'll never be able to build anything ever again. It's just that.
What'd I do?
You haven't done anything yet.
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 What'd I do?
That's the problem. Who's gonna save the dehydrated belugas?
What'd I do?
Nothing. It won't last long. Sans, I swear.
Welcome to the Underballs. How are your balls? If you wanna balls.
That is a mockery of my song. But it's not my song, it's JT Music's song.
I did so much damage.
Not mine.
Now I'm gonna launch.
No, bro, if you launch, then you're never gonna be able to build anything ever again, bro.
I'm gonna shoot your penis.
That, I don't know if you're allowed to say that. Ever.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna shoot through the middle. Watch this. Shoot through the middle. Oh, I did it.
You know what? Just to make sure you don't blast off without me being finished, I know what I'm adding to your boat. Don't worry, bro.
No.
It's okay.
Kill it.
You want me to blow it up now? Are you sure, bro? You should just hit that button. Maddox, you should hit that button, bro. Or I need to hit the button. Maddox, you should just press that button.
No.
I'm gonna press that button if you don't.
I pressed it.
You pressed it? Okay, good. I told you it wouldn't hurt you. Bro, I swear. I'm gonna make it hurt you. Just give me a second.
Oh, no, my grappling hook.
How do I do this? I actually forgot. Sorry, I forgot. I forgot burger. I forgot. I for burger. What if I tried a lever? Maybe a lever would work better. Can you delete that harpoon real quick?
Why?
Just do it.
No.
Yeah, yes. Or else I'll seriously actually blow up your build. No! Dang it. Dude. Are you controlling that boat? Or like what? What chair? I don't know why you wouldn't have like an actual motor on that if you're gonna add that chair.
Well, I was planning to do this. I was actually going to grapple onto you and then start it.
Wait, one sec. Did you call for me?
Hee hee hoo ha.
Okay, I'm back. What do you want? What do you want? What? I swear, if you don't let go. One of these times I'm gonna hit that button and it's gonna blast off, bro.
Are you almost done?
I just put the last block in, but I want to save it, okay? It's gonna be called the SS Skibidi. Okay, I'm ready. 3, T-minus 10, T-minus 9, T-minus 8, T-minus 7, T-minus 6, T-minus... Wait, sorry, I'm ready. I forgot to unmute. T-minus 10, T-minus 9, T-minus 8, T-minus... I'm going to space, bro. I don't know what you're expecting. Are you already in space?
You should really.
I have all 3 engines going. The SS Skybuddy is really blasting off. The SS Skybuddy. Maddox, meet me at the end of the map, bro. What do you walk? What do you talk? Walk. Wait, there's a gamble core session? I don't know.
I'm getting bored.
Really.
Why?
You've literally been in this game for like 10
Not
minutes.
having fun.
Why is that?
Because to me, all you do in that game is build and go down.
Yeah, isn't that fun? You can build a penis. What's so sad about that, bro?
By the way, Primal Pursuit added a new dinosaur, and Primal Pursuit is actually fun now because it's not a vote for the maps. It's a random map chooser.
Okay. So I'm gonna end this video. Like and subscribe if you liked it. Bye.